Hey everyone, it's Archer from JLN Archer, and today we're going to be preparing rice for fried rice. We're going to be doing something differently than what you might have seen before, and it's that we're going to toast the rice first. Toasting the rice is going to give it a nice savory flavor and make it sturdier when we fry it. Also, since we eat with our eyes first, the color of the rice is going to look a lot more appealing than just plain white rice. So let's begin. I'm using a 2-quart saucepan for this and simple long grain rice. For this recipe, we're going to use a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of oil, I personally use canola oil, a clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt for the water. First, let's cut the garlic and measure everything out. I find it easier to cook this way than if you were to measure it out as you go along. It's especially helpful when it's your first time making a recipe. Now that we have everything ready, let's make this rice. Set the burner on medium-high and add the oil. Let the oil get hot and then add the rice. Constantly stir for 2 to 4 minutes and you will see the rice start browning up. Next, add the garlic and stir for another minute or 2. Now add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Okay, the rice is boiling now, so I'm going to move it to a smaller eye and put the heat to simmer. Pretty much the lowest heat setting it will go to. And I'm using the smallest burner for this because the pan is relatively small. Cover with the lid and set the timer for 15 minutes. Don't remove the lid during this time. While we're waiting for the rice to cook, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're going to be posting more videos like this, so be on the lookout. The timer is up. Now move the rice away from the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. Again, don't remove the lid during this time. It's been 10 minutes and the rice is ready. Fluff it with a fork and cool it down by putting it on the tray, or I personally like to use wax or parchment paper. Cool it off with a plate or lid, and then add the rice to a bowl and leave the lid on loose for the first day. I can't stress this enough, but please let the rice sit for at least 18 hours in the fridge before you fry it. Anything less than that and it'll be mush. And that's it. Now we have rice that's perfectly cooked to be used in a fried rice recipe. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video where we're going to use this fried rice to make an amazing hibachi style egg fried rice recipe.